Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a new page in Google Sites. This website is built using Google Sites, and to add a new page on it, simply go to sites.google.com and open the website that you want to add a new page on. Then go to the Pages tab, and here you will see a list of the current pages or existing pages on your website. And to add a new one, simply click on this plus icon or circle. This new page icon pops up. Here, give your new page a name. For example, let's call it new page. And if you click on advanced, you can see the custom path of or the custom address or the page address that for this new page. For example, let's call it, for example, new page for 2026 and click on done. This is the new page added to your website, also in the navigation menu. And to publish this new page, don't forget to hit this publish button. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video, an audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger website builder, and Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Also in the navigation menu, and to publish this new page, don't forget to hit this publish button. Click on publish again, and let's view the published site. And this is my new page with the exact or the custom other page address, and it was automatically added to the new page. And this is how to add a new page in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.